Hello everyone, this is Team CoreMentis presenting their project from Intel Unnati Industrial Training Program.
Hi, this is Priyanshi Gupta from Team CoreMentis.
Hi, this is Aditya Popli from Team CoreMentis.
Hi, this is Nishchi Gupta from the team CoreMentis.
Traditional digital learning platforms are often static and don't support diverse learning styles. Students can't ask their queries in real time using different formats like voice, text, or images, which limits their understanding. Also, these platforms don't track student engagement through facial cues, so teachers miss chances to support struggling learners at the right time. This results in poor learning outcomes and low retention. In order to solve this emerging problem, our team has designed an AI teaching assistant, CoreMentis. It is a comprehensive educational platform featuring real-time engagement analysis, interactive virtual classrooms, and personalized learning dashboards with advanced analytics. Let's have a visit of our app. CoreMentis features role-based access with separate interfaces for students and teachers. As you can see, upon logging in, the students are greeted with this personalized dashboard that provides comprehensive overview of their entire academic journey. These are the different sections of our dashboard. Next, we have a My Courses page which depicts the different courses that a student has to undergo in his or her academic section. Let us try visiting one of the courses. And first of all, we see a page which shows the current course progress and the statistics. Next, we have the materials and the PDFs. After that, we have the recordings for the different lectures that were undertaken. We can watch any of the recordings as and when required according to the student's availability. After that, we can see the different assignments that were assigned to him during that course. Here the student can also view the assignment in detail and also submit it here. Next, we have a section for announcements that are completely based on this particular course. So this keeps the section clean. Then we have a Q&A forum where the students can ask different doubts from their teachers if they want to. Also, this section is very filtered, so students can easily navigate to a topic and ask doubts related to that particular topics. Similarly, we have a page for schedule where the students can see their schedule for the entire month and can plan their day accordingly. The different colors helps organize the different subjects very effectively. Next, we have the assignments page where the students can see the total assignments assigned to them, which are also sorted based on the different priorities, and then they can even view the assignment in detail and submit it here. Similarly, we also have a page for viewing the student's academic progress. As you can see, this is a dashboard that presents his or her academic achievements and progresses in different courses. Apart from that, this page also features AI-powered engagement analytics that were performed during the online classes during the semester. Then we also have a discussion and doubts section where we can see different discussions by the students on different topics. It also has a private messages option where the students can interact directly with the teachers based on their projects or other improvements. Next, we have a section for announcements where the different announcements for different subjects as well as different topics or the generalized announcements are also made. Here we can also filter the announcement based on different subjects in order to get the announcements just limited to that particular subject. Then we can also arrange them in the newest order or in the title order in different manners. Next, we have a settings tab where the user can view his or her profile and personal details and modify it accordingly. Next, we have a page for appearance where we can choose notifications can also be chosen, the privacy and the analytics of the students can be chosen easily through the settings tab. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and try one of the most amazing features of our app. That is this CoreMentis chatbot. Let's try asking a question from our chatbot. Let's say about neural networks. See, our chatbot returns a very comprehensive answer with all the main important features and the pointers. Apart from that, we also have a button at the bottom, listen, where the text can also be heard from the student in case he wants to listen through the audio, and for feasibility too. We can also stop the audio in between. Now let's try another feature, that is this educational content. On clicking in on this third button, we can generate the different diagrams and different images related to the topic we have researched for. For example, this is a very good diagram depicting the entire structure for the neural networks as we were studying that topic. We also have different links for the videos that we can view on different platforms. For example, this is a link for the YouTube video on neural networks. Let's try our next button, that is the speech to text. We can also ask our queries to the chatbot in the form of text, in the form of audio, by speaking our queries to it. For example, we have spoken sigmoid function to our chatbot and it has returned a very good answer showing the formula and the definitions for it. Now let's try generating a graph for it. As you can see, a graph is generated for the sigmoid function showing all its features. Apart from this, we also have another feature where we can scan our notebooks or images and ask the question through that also. For example, this student has written what is ReLU on his notebook and scanned it for the question, and a chatbot has resulted it in the desired answer. Again, we can listen to the answer or we can generate any type of educational content, images or videos of it also. This chatbot is accessible through any of the page via this floating button in the corner. It is powered by advanced language models and is optimized using Intel's OpenVINO technology for enhanced performance. This optimization has reduced response times by 65% and decreased the computational resource usage by 47%. Our chatbot also manages the context between the conversations. As you can see, after the topic went off, we asked him what topic we are on and it replied with ReLU. Thus, it is maintaining the conversation context and generating personalized content according to the student's need. Now let's come back to dashboard to see one more amazing feature of our app, that is when we click on this join class button, a real-time interface for the meeting gets opened, similar to Google Meeting or Zoom video conferencing. As you can see, the teacher is sharing the screen and teaching the students in the class. At the same time, the students can also undergo engagement analysis where an engagement score is generated based on his or her interaction in the class. As you can see, when I turned my head, the engagement dropped significantly, telling me to fix my head to the screen and look straight at the content being presented by the teacher. When I close my eyes, it is saying that my eyes are very less open and thus indicating that I might be asleep. And it is also generating an alarm in the background telling me to wake up and focus on the content being shared. We can also check the participants in the meeting, and the interface is very clean, similar to a Google Meet or any other video conferencing app. We can also generate AI powered resources based on what is being taught in the class. As you can see, this is a video from Intel that presents the topic neural networks. So the content related to neural networks is being suggested by the AI powered resources. This real-time engagement analysis will help a lot to improve the students' concentration in the classes. That concludes our tour of CoreMentis, an educational platform designed to enhance learning through AI assistance, engagement analytics, and an intuitive user experience. By combining these elements, CoreMentis creates a comprehensive educational ecosystem that benefits students, teachers, and educational institutions alike. Our pilot implementations have shown remarkable results like 27% increase in student engagement, 32% improvements in assignment section, higher attendance, reduction in late submissions, decrease in course dropout rates, and improvement in overall class performances. These metrics translate to real educational outcomes and demonstrate CoreMentis' potential to transform the learning experience. Thank you for joining me on this demonstration.